Okay, so welcome back to Microbial Concepts. So today's topic is on how I studied for microbiology exam. Okay, so this is the way which I followed during my post graduation. Okay, so I think that sharing this will help lot of my subscribers or students. Okay, so even biotechnology students can follow this. Okay, it is not strictly that or it is not that strict that you need to follow this particular way. Okay, some of the students they just read all the textbooks or research articles and then directly in exams they write their answer. Okay, they are that confident or the way works to them, but this is how I studied. Okay, so I'm going to share this with you all today. So this can be helpful for graduation and post graduation and microbiology or biotechnology as well. Okay, so very important point that I will suggest is self study and making your own notes is very important. Okay, because even when you refer a particular textbook or a particular book, then you need to know the basics behind particular topic. Okay, so not all the time it happens that a particular textbook or book it starts with the basics. Okay, so self study it means that you need to refer, you need to understand the topic basics behind that topic first, and then you start making your own notes. Okay, this is the way I will say that it will help you throughout your course. Okay, because it was very helpful for me during my post graduation. It helped me reduce my stress during exams because I had my own notes, I had done my topics, I had made my concepts clear. Okay, so this helped me a lot. So here is a picture from cell division or cell cycle topic. Okay, so you can see I had started from what is cell division or why cell divides. Okay, then what is a mother cell, what is a daughter cell, then about prokaryotic DNA, eukaryotic DNA or chromosome, etc. So these are the basics behind cell division and cell cycle. Okay, so you will see the further pictures from these notes in further slides. Okay, so for now just remember that I am going to share pictures for cell division and cell cycle. Okay, so yeah, how to start? So let's take another topic like from immunology, cancer. Okay, so this topic is new to you, right? I had this for my post graduation. Okay, so don't know that even in some universities or some institutes in graduation also this can be introduced. Okay, so if the not particular topic like cancer, all the topics are new to you as you are new to this subject, right? So treat it like that the topic is new, so you need to start with the definition and basic concepts, like, right? So what are the types of cancer, then what is the difference between benign and malignant tumor? Okay, there are two types of tumors mostly found in the cancer. Okay, so you need to know the structure, then how they develops. Okay, what is the difference between these two tumors? Okay, already a video for this is uploaded on my channel, so you can go check it out, the diagrams, what are the differentiating points for benign and malignant tumor. Okay, then next is what are the common symptoms, right? Then how cancer is caused in short, how cancer is caused in detail. Okay, so these two questions will help you for 2-mark question and 5-mark question. Okay, so you can see that we are now studying for say first for 1-mark question, then going towards 2-mark, 3-mark and 5-mark question. Okay, then after that there is a topic of development of cancer. Okay, so there are stages in cancer development, so that is also very important to study. Then next is treatments available, then advantage of each treatment, disadvantage of each treatment, right? Because there are many types of treatments available for cancer nowadays, but each treatment has an advantage and a disadvantage. Okay, and next is side effects of chemotherapy. Very important topic from cancer because mostly you get a question on chemotherapy in your exams. Okay, so that can be just on side effects, or that can be what is chemotherapy and how it works and what are the side effects. Okay, so that can cover for 5 marks. Okay, or for 3 marks you can just get a question on side effects on chemotherapy. Okay, so this is how you should work on a particular topic, and this will help you form a question answer. Okay, why I'm saying question and answer, because as you start studying a particular topic, you will get to know, yeah, on this particular topic I may get a question in exam. Okay, so this is how you prepare for your questions and answers as well. Or if you don't have an idea on what are the important questions from a topic, from a particular topic or subject, then you can go talk to your professor or subject teacher and get the important questions written down. Okay, and then work on those questions, right? To make this more interesting, I used to do I used to use color pencils, and I used to draw some flowcharts and diagrams, and then I used to underline or highlight important points. Okay, so this made my learning interesting, and this made me remember that I had done this part, I had done this diagram. Okay, so it helped me remember my points from answer, and I used to focus while writing my answer in exams. Okay, this helped me a lot. Okay, so yeah, so this is a picture. First is for quorum sensing. Okay, so actually I did this for YouTube channel, so I had used some sketch pens here, but in exam sketch pens are not allowed. Okay, if your college allows you to use color pencils, then I will suggest that use color pencils to highlight different parts from the diagram. Next is from a flow chart from oxygen biosynthesis. Okay, so you can see for arrows I had used black color. Then for the main component or main substance, or yeah, main point from the flowchart, that is tryptophan. So all those subjects here I had mentioned or I had written in red color. Okay, so this helped me remember my flowchart, this helped me memorize it. Okay, so this is how I draw flowcharts. Okay, so in exams also you can follow this, but red color is or red pen is not allowed, so be careful. Okay, so this is another uh, photo from my cell division and cell cycle notes. Okay, so you can see cell division in prokaryotes, even that I had mentioned in detail, sorry, not detail, in basics, and there is a simple diagram. Then I started with the cell cycle. Okay, first is mitosis, the definition is written. Then there is a small diagram which includes all the steps, all the stages from the mitosis. Okay, so this is how you make your own notes. Okay, writing it will help you to form your answers. Okay, you don't have to struggle that which point to write first and which point to write next. Okay, so this will help you remember points or format of your answer. This will also make learning interesting, and you don't have to run for searching notes at last minute. Okay, this will help you a lot for last minute revision. At least for me, it was very helpful, because just before exams, 2-3 hours before, I used to sit with my notes and just revise. Okay, even diagrams and flowchart, I used to revise those. Okay, other than just taking Leninger and reading, I did this, I used my notes. Okay, then this is the third photograph from my notes, where you can see I had started explaining the stages. Okay, first you can see there is a small diagram for interphase, and next is for early prophase. Okay, so this is how you go further with your notes and you cover your topic. So what to refer is another point. So there is no specific book for microbiology, correct, or any topic or any subtopic from microbiology. So you need to refer research articles, then you need to refer at least 2 books to cover any particular topic. So this depends on the topic actually. Okay, so for example, if you want to study proteins, then you can refer books like Leninger and Voigt. Okay, so these two books, they cover proteins completely. But if you need to study nanoparticles, then you need to refer research articles, okay, because a lot of research work is going on nanoparticles. But in detail, there is uh, hardly any book that covers this subject. Okay, basics are now getting included in some books, okay, or there are separate books for nanoparticles only. Okay, so it depends on your topic that what you need to refer, right? So mostly you get some notes from your subject teacher or professor, but those are not enough for writing answers, correct? Because if your subject teacher has shared the PPT, that is PowerPoint presentation, so that is also not enough, because in short just points are highlighted or points are shared. Okay, so you need extra information for writing your answer for at least say 5 marks. Okay, as you are in graduation or post graduation, you need to write lengthy answers. Okay, you need to write in detail a particular topic for 5 marks, so you need to refer more, you need extra information. Okay, so other than research articles or college notes and some standard books, I will suggest to use some web-based file sharing or PPT sharing platforms. Okay, you can get these easily on internet, and then you can also use some free PDF ebooks, okay, or some files or some articles which are having free access and that are available on internet. Nowadays, YouTube is also a widely used social media platform. We didn't have this idea, okay, of using YouTube. Okay, so nowadays, lot of channels are there on this YouTube platform, and say for every topic or every other field, you will get a channel on YouTube like mine. Okay, so I'm actually helping microbiology students, right? So you can get some topics on my channel. Now I'm in growing phase or developing phase, so I had not covered all the topics, but I am working on that. Okay, so there are many other channels and many other videos that talk in detail about many educational topics. Okay, so you can use those channels, you can use those videos to get your concepts clear. Okay, so say how DNA replicates, doing that in theory and having a short animation or a short clip watched on YouTube will help you a lot to relate actually with your theory part. Okay, so that is how you should use YouTube for your studies as well. Okay, so yeah, we are done. So please like these videos, share these videos with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Even tell them to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I hope this video is helpful to you all. Okay, do mention in comment how you feel about this way of learning microbiology. Okay, I'm waiting for your feedback, right? So all the best for your exams, and keep watching. Thank you.